Long Island, an invitation to explore. Forget the Hamptons, baby. This isn't about the glitz and glamour that you see on TV. This is about discovering the hidden gems that make Long Island truly special. Forget the fancy restaurants and the overpriced drinks. We're going deep. We're talking about the places where the locals hang out, where the food is made with love and where the drinks are served with a smile. We're going to find the soul of Long Island, the places that tell the story of its people, its history and its culture. Long Island, a place most people know from reality TV, but there's so much more to it than what you see on the screen. A place of excess and indulgence, but that's just one side of the coin. But scratch the surface and you'll find something else, something real, something raw. You'll find the heart and soul of Long Island. This ain't your mama's Long Island. This is the Long Island that the locals know and love. This is the Long Island of fishermen and farmers, of artists and surfers, of people who work hard and play harder, of people who know how to live, who know how to enjoy the simple pleasures in life. So pack your bags, kids. Get ready to see Long Island like you've never seen it before. We're going on an adventure that will take us from the sandy beaches to the rolling hills, from the bustling towns to the quiet countryside. We're going to find the real Long Island, the Long Island that you won't find in any guidebook, the Long Island that is waiting to be discovered. So come along with us and let's explore the hidden treasures of Long Island together. Yeah, the Hamptons, a name synonymous with luxury, opulence, and the high life, land of the rich and famous, mansions and yachts. It's a place where the elite come to play, where every corner seems to whisper tales of wealth and privilege. But even in this playground for the 1%, there's grit beneath the glitter. Beyond the shimmering facades and the polished exteriors, there's a story of hard work, tradition, and community. Sure, you can sip cocktails on the beach, the sun setting over the horizon, a gentle breeze, and a perfectly mixed drink in hand. You can rub elbows with celebrities, attend glamorous parties where the who's who of the world gather, dressed to the nines, flashing their million-dollar smiles. But get away from the crowds, find the back roads. These winding paths lead you to a different Hamptons, one that isn't often showcased in glossy magazines. That's where you'll find the real Hamptons. Go to the farms. These lands have been cultivated for generations, long before the Glitz took over. Talk to the people who work the land. Their hands tell stories of dedication, of early mornings and late nights, of a connection to the earth that runs deep. Taste the food. It's fresh. Every bite bursts with flavors that are a testament to the care and love poured into growing them. It's real. It's damn good. This is the essence of the Hamptons that many overlook. It's more than just a summer playground. It's a place where life thrives in its most authentic form. So next time you think of the Hamptons, remember it's more than just glitz and glamour. It's a tapestry of stories, of people, of life. And that's what makes it truly special. Napa Valley? Forget it. Long Island's North Fork is where it's at. Rolling vineyards, award-winning wines, and the Atlantic Ocean right there. Spend a day driving from winery to winery, taste the wines, talk to the winemakers. These are people who are passionate about their craft, and when you're done with the wine, hit the beach. The North Fork has some of the most beautiful beaches on Long Island. Want to get away from it all, really get away? Then hop on a ferry to Fire Island. No cars allowed, just sand, surf and sky. Walk the boardwalks, explore the dunes, swim in the ocean. It's like stepping back in time. And at night, the stars are incredible. You can actually see the Milky Way. It's enough to make you believe in magic again. Section 5, hiking trails, from easy strolls to challenging treks. Think Long Island is all beaches and vineyards. Think again. There are some killer hiking trails here, something for everyone. Take a leisurely stroll through the woods. Challenge yourself with a hike up a mountain or explore the coastline on a cliffside path. Get lost in nature, breathe the fresh air, and work up an appetite for your next meal. Section 6, a taste of Long Island. From farm to table fare to fresh off the boat seafood, Long Island is a foodie's paradise. We're talking fresh oysters, clams and lobsters. We're talking farm to table cuisine that'll blow your mind. Go to a clam shack and order a lobster roll. Find a local farm and pick your own strawberries. Or splurge on a meal at a Michelin-starred restaurant. No matter what your budget, you're guaranteed to eat well on Long Island. Section 7. Stepping back in time, historic sites and local legends. Long Island is steeped in history. From the American Revolution to the Gilded Age, this island has seen it all. Visit a Revolutionary War battlefield, tour a Gold Coast mansion, or explore a quaint seaside village that time forgot. Listen to the stories, learn the history. You'll walk away with a new appreciation for this special place. Section 8. The sound and the sea beaches for every mood. Let's face it, one of the best things about Long Island is the beaches. Whether you're a local or a visitor, the allure of the sandy shores is undeniable. The beaches here offer a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. And with over 1,100 miles of coastline, there's a beach for everyone. From the serene and quiet to the lively and bustling, Long Island's beaches cater to every mood and preference. Imagine the endless possibilities that await you along this vast stretch of coastline. Want to surf? Head to the South Shore. The waves here are perfect for both beginners and seasoned surfers. The South Shore is renowned for its consistent swells and vibrant surf culture. You'll find surf schools, rental shops, and a community of surfers who are always ready to share a wave or two. Looking for a family-friendly spot? The North Shore is calling your name. With its calm waters and gentle waves, it's the ideal place for children to play and families to gather. The North Shore beaches are perfect for building sandcastles, having picnics, and creating lasting memories with your loved ones. Just want to relax and soak up the sun? You've got plenty of options. Long Island's beaches are perfect for those who simply want to unwind. Lay back on the soft sand, listen to the soothing sound of the waves, and let the sun's warmth wash over you. Whether you prefer a secluded spot or a more popular beach, relaxation is guaranteed. So grab your towel, your sunscreen, and your sense of adventure. It's beach time. Whether you're planning a solo trip, a romantic getaway, or a fun day out with friends, Long Island's beaches have something for everyone. Explore the hidden coves, take a dip in the refreshing waters, or simply enjoy a leisurely stroll along the shore. The beach is waiting for you, ready to offer a day of fun, relaxation, and unforgettable experiences. Section 9. Beyond the beaten path, hidden gems and local favorites. Sure, the tourist traps are fun, but to really experience Long Island, you've got to get off the beaten path. Find a hidden beach, discover a local dive bar, explore a quirky museum. These are the experiences that will stay with you long after you leave. So ask around, talk to the locals. They'll point you in the right direction. Section 10, Long Island After Dark, live music, nightlife and stargazing. Don't think the fun ends when the sun goes down. Long Island comes alive at night. Catch a live band, hit a trendy bar, or find a dark spot and gaze up at the stars. The possibilities are endless. Just remember to pace yourself. You've got a lot more exploring to do tomorrow. Section 11, your Long Island adventure awaits. So there you have it, the real Long Island, a place of beauty, history and adventure. It's not about the money, it's about the experiences, the people, the food, the feeling you get when you're standing on the edge of the continent, the wind in your hair, the salt air in your lungs. What are you waiting for? Get out there and explore. Your Long Island adventure awaits.